In today's video, I'm wanting to teach you how to reinstate in Xero payroll. Reinstating a former employee in Xero is useful when someone returns to your organization and you want to reactivate their existing record without creating a duplicate. This preserves their history, tax details, leave balances, and past pay runs. Before you begin, make sure you're logged into the correct organization in Xero and that you have the appropriate payroll permissions to manage employees. Start on your Xero dashboard and open the payroll area. This is where all employee and pay run settings live. Once you're in payroll, you go to employees. You'll see your current team by default, but since we're bringing back someone who has previously left, switch to the past tab. The past tab lists employees who were terminated or archived, so it's the place to find anyone you need to bring back. If you have a long list, use the search bar or filters to quickly locate the right person. Next, select the employee you want to reinstate. Take a moment to confirm you've opened the correct profile. Check identifiers like their role or any notes in the record to avoid activating the wrong person. When you're in the employee's profile, head to the employment section. This is where their employment status, start and end dates, and other core employment settings are managed. In the employment section, look for the option to reinstate employee and click it. Xero will typically display a confirmation screen so you can review the change before finalizing. This step helps prevent accidental reinstatements and gives you a chance to double check that you're working with the correct record. To complete the process, click Reinstate. After you confirm the employee's status updates from past to active, and they'll move back into your current employee list. From here, they'll be available for inclusion in future pay runs as normal. A few quick tips as you finish up. Once reinstated, review the employee's pay template, pay calendar, and leave settings to ensure everything still reflects their current role and agreed terms. If the reinstate option isn't available, it could mean you don't have the necessary permissions or the employee is already active. In that case, check your user role or consult your organization's payroll administrator. And that's it. You've successfully reinstated an employee in Xero payroll by navigating to payroll, opening employees, switching to past, selecting the employee, going to employment, choosing reinstate employee, and confirming the change. This simple workflow keeps your records clean while retaining the full employment history you need for accurate payroll and reporting.